Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's begin with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen and then enter the settings in this upper panel. Then let's tap on languages and tap on add keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. Of course, you can scroll and search for a language, or you can simply tap on this section and enter the name of the language you'd like to apply, and after finding it, simply tap on it. Now we can choose the keyboard layout, so just mark the option and tap on done, and as you can see, the language has been immediately applied to the list. And before I'll show you how to remove the previous language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So here we've got a hint. After getting back to the keyboard, we've got a new icon which is called globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout. So simply after tapping on it, we can switch between them. What is more, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So now to remove the language, simply enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in this step we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you'd like to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.